Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, my name is Nolan, and in today's video I've got my Traxxas Maxx 4S monster truck out with me. I'm traveling for work, I'm in Illinois, I'm heading home right now, and stopped at this park, and we're going to bash the Traxxas Maxx around on 4S, of course. I've got a 6500 milliamp, 60cc discharge rate, 4-cell Yomi power pack. Get that installed and we'll get started ripping. I know we got some water in the ditches over here, so that'll be a lot of fun to bash through that. We're probably going to get pretty mucky today, but as long as I have fun and you guys enjoy the entertainment, that's all that matters. So let me get it hooked up and we're going to jump right in this video. All powered up and ready to go. Such a fun machine, the Maxx really is. A lot of fun. That was quite the somersault. Once again, I'm notorious for doing this. I ran right into something. Let's see if we broke anything. It didn't make the nastiest crunching noise in the world. It kind of just like popped off of it. But it looked like we went head on with the bumper. I don't see anything right off the top that looks worrying, so let's just keep on going. I know this is what you guys want to see. Let's go into the water. That's what we're going to do, guys. It's that time. It's a monster truck, so that's what it's meant for. It's waterproof too. It's spring, but not all the ice is melted at this point. Let's go over to this one. This one's even deeper. Oh, I got muddy water all over me. It's still fun though. This thing's gonna be so messy though. Here we go, back in. Ooh, we're getting caught up. There's still ice kind of in here, so looks like it's high centered on something. Might have to save it. I can't tell what's in there. There's just a lot of muck. That means we need more power and more speed. That same spot. I don't know what's going on right here, but there's must be something right in this spot where it's getting caught up. Yeah, there's definitely some ice down in there. By the way, guys, if you are enjoying this video with the Traxxas Maxx, please smash that like button. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already. And make sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I come out with new videos, because I do travel for work, which is what I'm doing right now. I stop at parks all over the place, so I stop at new places all the time. You don't want to miss out on new videos. Let's keep on going. Let me know, do you guys drive your stuff through water? Do you bash it through mud and water, or do you try to avoid that? I mean, I like having fun, so I usually bash it through the water and snow and just basically anything. Absolute ripper. For some reason, guys, I keep on losing steering. I don't know if it's a receiver issue or if there's something caught in it, but the thing doesn't want to go left-right, which is a problem. There it's going. Then when I lay it on the ground, it won't go left-right. I think it's a receiver issue or something, guys, because it's acting up. Like on reverse, it'll go. Once I go in reverse, then it will turn, but like, then when I try to just go forward, it will not turn. Interesting. I don't know what's going on, guys. The servo or something's acting up. I don't know if it's a receiver issue because I kept on driving through the water or what's going on, but this might be a good place to wrap up the video. If you did enjoy this quick bash with the Traxxas Maxx monster truck, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell. Until next time, see you later.